Hello and welcome back to gyroscope info. In this video, I will show you how to fix screen rotation not working on VIVO X200 FE. Let's begin! So first, you want to make sure that your auto rotation is enabled. We can do that by expanding our control center. We can expand it once again to see the names of our buttons here, and as you can see, next to Bluetooth by default we have auto rotate. We want to click on it, and now our auto rotation is enabled. If you would turn it off, and for example we would want to go into our, well, let's say calculator, you can see that in no way I cannot rotate it. Like, there is just no way to rotate my calculator. However, if I will enable my screen rotation here and rotate it, we can see that now it's working without any issues. Of course, this may not help you and you still may encounter some issues. In this case, I would simply advise you to reboot your device. You can do that by expanding control center twice, clicking power icon in the bottom right corner and then hitting restart. I know that this may sound kind of silly, but whenever you restart your device, you're not only restarting your software but hardware as well, including gyroscope, which is responsible for screen rotation feature. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.